Okay, so maybe I shouldn't have used n here, but that's okay. When we have n circles, this is going to be kind of tricky to draw, but let's see. Oops, I don't want to draw a big circle. I want to draw a big triangle. So I'm going to have... Alright, so I guess that's with n equals 5.
Yes.
At the bottom. How are we going to figure out the radius here?
Well, so if we use a similar method, we're going to look at this last, this circle on the corner.
Okay.
And create a right triangle here.
Alright.
Which is also a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And we know these two sides are R and 2R. And then we just need to figure out what this length is. And so we would go down sort of in the middle here.
Alright.
To chop.
For 5, it's going to be in the middle, yeah.
And so, we're using this specific example.
Yeah, that's okay. Use it. We can use the example with 5, and then we can try to go to n later.
So this is 1/2 minus, be 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4r.
Alright.
And then we would use that to get an equation for r.
Alright, so why don't we do it for n equals 5?
N equals 5. We get root 3r equals 1/2 minus 4r.
Alright.
So we want to isolate the r's, so we get root 3 plus 4r equals 1/2.
Okay.
And r equals 1/2 times 1 over root 3 plus 4. And so we do get a similar result for r than we got with n equals 2.
Okay. Alright, so n equals n. So when we have n circles at the bottom, what do you think our radius is going to be?
Probably 1/2 times 1 over root 3 plus n minus 1.
Plus n minus 1.
Alright.
Okay, and we can kind of see that one of two ways. We can see that we have n minus 1 diameters that go from here to here, if we want to go all the way across.
Yeah.
And then we have 2 of these root 3s.
We sort of chop off.
Yeah, so we have, and the reason it's n minus 1 diameters is we don't get that plus that. So we miss 1 diameter, so we have n minus 2 circles there, and then we pick up 1 more diameter that way. So it's just
so we get n minus 1.
Okay, so there's our radius.
Yeah, then we can probably use that. We can use the formula for triangular numbers to get a equation for the area, or expression for the area.
Yeah, so why don't we do that in the very last video.
Alright.